Feeling overwhelmed and stressed? Watch this video to discover 10 easy steps to manage stress effectively and improve your well-being. Step 1. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress. A study by Harvard Medical School found that deep breathing can decrease the levels of the stress hormone cortisol by up to 20%. Step 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can reduce stress hormones and release endorphins. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, exercise can reduce stress by 40% and improve overall mental health. Step 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. The National Sleep Foundation reports that lack of sleep can increase stress levels and impair cognitive function. Quality sleep is essential for emotional regulation. Step 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce stress. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can reduce psychological stress and improve overall mental health. Step 5. Stay connected. Maintain strong social connections with friends and family. The American Psychological Association states that social support can act as a powerful buffer against stress, reducing it by up to 50%. Step 6. Manage your time. Effective time management can help you feel more in control and less stressed. A study from the University of California, Irvine, found that better time management skills can reduce stress levels by up to 30%. Step 7. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Excessive caffeine and alcohol can increase anxiety and stress. The Mayo Clinic suggests that reducing caffeine intake can improve stress management and overall well-being. Step 8. Engage in hobbies. Spending time on activities you enjoy can be a great stress reliever. According to a study published in the journal Annals of Behavioral Medicine, engaging in enjoyable activities can lower stress and improve mood. Step 9. Practice gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal can shift your focus from negative to positive thoughts. A study from the University of California, Davis, found that practicing gratitude can reduce stress and improve psychological health by 23%. Step 10. Seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming, seek help from a mental health professional. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, therapy can significantly reduce stress and improve mental health outcomes. Conclusion. Implement these 10 steps to manage your stress and improve your quality of life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness.